Hello friends, welcome to my channel Go Digit. Today in this video we will again extend our learning with respect to the BC container helper and see one more command called get-bc environments. Right. So before we will start checking that command, let's see like for example I have opened up this Business Central web client here, and generally when we want to get the information about how many environments we are running up, so one option is this, that we can always check from the web client window itself, that it will give us the information about your current list of the environment. So for example, currently I am running this test environment and the production environment. Okay. The second option is that from this window itself, we can go to the admin center, and from that admin center itself, you will get the list of all the environment information. Okay, environment information is very important from the global administrator perspective. Wherever you want to create some new environments, or you want to delete certain old environments and other configurations of the environments. Right. So this is all which we can see from the manual part, which your administrator can do from the web client itself. However, in the BC Container Helper, also there are certain things through which we can get the information about the running environments, about the active environments of your web client, of your Business Central tenant. And on the basis of that information, when you will get directly from the script, you can utilize that information for your other purposes. Right. So let's see how we can check that part in the PowerShell. So, for example, we have learned two ways through which we can authenticate ourselves, right? One is this include device login, and second one is this about the client ID, client secret, and the tenant ID information. So, for example, this is something which is where you don't have to pass anything or to log in with your credentials manually while in the script. So I'll use this one, right? And then our script which we want to run is this hyphen get hyphen bc environments. Okay, so there are other commands also related to the get hyphen bc environment, which we will see in the upcoming sessions about the use case of these other commands. But let's stick to this command here. And now the first parameter which we take is BC or context, because anyway to get any sort of information from your web client, from your business center, you must have to authenticate. And as I know that this script will pass the information about the authentication, about the token, into this variable, so I'll use this variable. All right. There are other details as well, for example, but there is no need at the moment. So let's see whether what type of thing I'll get from here. Okay, just I'll do one thing. I'll pass one variable here. Okay, so whatever information I will get, you will get it here. So if I run this, let's see what will happen. Okay, it is authenticated, and let's see whether something will happen in this particular command or not. And now you can see that I'm getting this error. The remote server returned an error unauthorized. That means that for this purpose, if you want to play with the environment information, if you want to deal with this such stuff, you cannot just go with this client details and tenant information, right? App registration process will not help you in this regard. So for that thing, because it is something related to the global administrator perspective, and hence we will use the another method to go with this approach. So the another method is just the same thing. I'll use uh, device login new hyphen bc or context include device login. right? So this was the first initial method which we have learned. And let's see if I run this command now, what will happen. Okay, so first of all, I need to go copy this particular URL, or I'll just copy this code and I'll type this URL. Okay, so let's open this https microsoft.com device login. All right, so let's see and paste this code. And now you can see that it is giving me the information about which login I have to use to do this operation. So I'll select this one because it is a genuine user and it's a global administrator as well. Okay, so I'll continue. Start. All right, so now what we can do is that we can head back to the PowerShell. Okay, so again, I'm getting this error with this also. Get hyphen the remote server returned an error. Ah, okay, I'm my mistake, guys. I did not change this BC auth context variable here, so rather than this, I'll use device login. All right, so because this command is already run and my information about the token is already available in this device login variable, so I just change this variable and just run this command. And now you see that I did not receive any sort of error. So there are two reasons. First of all, basically this information about the environment information which we were trying to fetch out is something a role of not a normal user. It's the responsibility of the global administrators who do such admin stuff. So if you really want to do such admin stuff, then this is the option through which you have to do this. And of course, when you use this include device login stuff, you must have to log in with your administrator user, not with the normal user, right? So that's when we use this particular option and I authenticated with my global administrator user ID. That's why then only I'm not getting any sort of error. Okay, so now let's see what information my list variable holds. Uh, okay, press, and now you see that how many, how much information I have got into this variable. So you can see from here that this is the first block, like total. If I just want to show you the total, how many informations I have got, list dot count. So total seven environment details I have got, right? So this is something which we were not being able to see when when I was showing you up in the web client. Why? Because when we were checking out the web client, it was showing us a detail of only two environments. But when I'm running this command, I'm getting the information of seven. So why seven? Let's see that. Uh, this information is, first of all, you can see that I'm getting the information of all the complete information like friendly name, type, what is the type of the environment, what is the sandbox, production name, country code, application family, tenant ID, application version, status. Now you see the difference. Status is soft deleted. So we will talk about it. Okay, so web client URL, web service URL, all these stuff we have received, all these information. But let's see. What I want to filter out here is that I just basically not where object. Let's see this select. object. I just need only two information, the name and the status. Okay, so that's why I'll use name status. Okay, so what it will do, first of all, if I just remove this, so basically this command will run and pass all the details to this object, and from this I just want only two columns. So if I run this, so here you will see that now this count is also 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So basically, this new command which I run, it's not altering the output. It's just giving me few information out of huge information. Okay, so if you see here, I'm getting the list of 7 environment name, out of which only two are active, rest are soft deleted. Soft deleted means something which I have deleted recently. Okay, and they are not hard deleted that I cannot uh, recall them back, right? Recall them. So it is not hard deleted. It has a number of days through after which you cannot regain to regain the access to your deleted environments. Like this is what the advantage of using the cloud and BC environments, because sometimes if you deleted it by mistake, then also there is a chance that you can uh, regain the access of your deleted environments. And hence, although from the web client perspective, you were not getting the information of all the environments. However, with this get-bc environments, you're getting the list of all the environments. And that is very, very crucial if you want to take certain decisions or if you want to do certain operations based on this information. Now, let's say I want only the information of active. So I can write this command in this way, where object. So it will take one parameter called filter script, and here we have to pass this object where status equals to active, right? And then I'll use this command again. All right, so what I'm doing here, first of all, this will give me the information of all this, and then I'm passing this all this information to this where it will filter out this data and check only those where the status is active, and then it will pass these two results to this particular object, and then I will get the results. So if I run this, now you can see. So now I'm getting the information of only the active environments, which is similar to when we saw in the web client page, right? So this is how the use case of get-bc environment command helps you to get the access of all the information about your running environments, about your inactive environments, and such stuff, right? So that's all which I wanted to share in the today's video. I hope you are getting the base at least of how to make the proper use of this BC container helper module, through which you can not only play with your Docker containers, but you can also play with your cloud BC environments. Right. I'll again tell you that you will not be able to do all such stuff in case the command called get hyphen like about if the BC container helper module is not installed. So if you want to see that module is installed or not, you can run this command get hyphen install module name BC container helper. And as you can see, you you will have this information that this module is installed, right? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel.